You can buy cheap things on Banggood and on other sites too, but don't buy a cheap knife. I say every time, don't buy a cheap knife, because if something is cheap, the material is cheap is too, and this blade needs a good material, and I don't believe that if something is cheap, somebody is putting good material in it. And I saw uh, this knife on Banggood, and I said it's a good looking one. And after I saw it, I said to me, it is cheap, it is a crap. And I like the color and so on, and I bought it. It cost me almost $2, and I had the opportunity to buy this or buy a Hot Wheels car. And I really like Hot Wheels cars, and unfortunately they cost in Hungary $2, not one, like in the US. And if you get it for $2, you have a lucky day, because in a couple of shops it costs $3. But is not our current product. Our current product is this knife. Why I talk about Hot Wheels cars? Because I use this knife to open the case here of Hot Wheels cars. I have an open one. I put the knife here in, and I cut it that way. And if you are looking on this blister or this package, it looks like it would be sealed, but it's not sealed anymore. It is opened, and if you would open this case like that is almost no damage, you need a very sharp knife. And I will demonstrate it on this paper how sharp it is. If you are cutting this paper, it cuts easily, and cutting is very clean. I say in this case this knife is cheap, but you can buy it because it's a very good one. It is relatively small, but it has a nice blade, a very sharp blade, and it has a good size, it has a good grip. I would recommend this knife. It has a good closing mechanism. I would say, oh, we have no focus. I would say we have no focus again. I would say you can buy this knife.